What is up, my riders? Today we are going to be doing some stuff with the GLI. We are going to be hitting the highest PSI mark with the GLI yet. We're going to essentially be maxing it out. According to George, this is like highest we can get, and he says that this roughly should be 380 horsepower. We are going to be going up to PSI from 4,000 to I think 7,000 RPM. And he wants a data log of that, but I'm gonna wait. We're gonna go for coffee now, and then we're gonna get on that, so you guys get to come with us. Okay, from 4,000 to 7,000, we're going up to PSI, so I'll show you guys the after table, and then we'll get started. Okay, and that is after. Hey now. Alright guys, so we're going to try to get one data log real quick. We don't blow a coupler, because first it was 1 PSI, now it's 2 PSI. Two, one. Okay, so lastly today, I am going to take the car out and just run on back roads and show you guys kind of the 20 to 80 now, see if there's any difference. I'm gonna go out for 15 minutes while my sister watches Casey, and we're gonna try to get some good footage for you guys, and then look forward to awesome content coming up. I want to get a bunch of reactions to it as well. I was so focused on the data log, I couldn't even tell if it was like that much faster or not, because I wasn't looking down at my speedo. Without further ado, we're gonna get some cool clips for you guys. All right guys, so here's an idea of even in 4th gear, it actually does feel pretty quick even in 4th. So traction control off right here, so I actually did it this time. All right, 2nd gear from 20. Shit. That threw me back in my seat. So I'm gonna go for a 3rd gear and then turn around here and do a 2nd gear, and then I'll be heading back. I really am excited to get some exhaust clips of the outside, because it actually sounds really good from the outside. Even though the power is higher up, like 4,000 RPM is getting up there, now that it is like more gradual from a decently high PSI to even a higher PSI, it just makes the whole experience feel a whole lot quicker. And honestly, this is going to take a little bit of getting used to, because my car actually feels decently quick now. I'm not used to it feeling like this. that's all we're going to be doing for today. But like I said, stay tuned. I'm going to start trying to do more exhaust clips and stuff now that we're really pushing the boost and stuff, and it does feel like properly quick now, so hopefully I can get some reactions as well, and that'll be pretty fun. So I love you guys. Make sure to be happy, stress less. I will see you in the next one, as always.